Hello guys and welcome to another Python video. So in this video we're gonna create a rock paper scissors game. So it's easy as other videos. So like always, let's just create a file main.py. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Let's open it with VS Code. So first of all, we need to import random, and then we're gonna create a function play. I'm gonna name it play underline RPS. So we need an input, user choice, and let's do it again. Why VS Code is like this? Doesn't matter. Okay, let's close it and open again. Okay, it's fine. So we're gonna create a variable for choices. I'm gonna name it choices, and I'm gonna make an array with rock paper and scissors. So this rock paper scissors is gonna work with computer choice, random computer choice. So we have 3 items in our array here, so computer we're gonna select one as a random. So we're gonna say computer underline choice, it should be random dot choice, and I'm gonna use these choices here, so it's gonna be one of this. So I'm gonna print the computer choice. So I'm gonna show it like this. Computer choices that, and let's do if, else if, and else. So if user choice was equal to computer choice, let's print it's a tie. So I'm gonna with else if. So we should check here the computer choice and user choice. So if the user choice was equal to rock, let me copy to put the correct name here, and computer choice was equal to scissors, or user choice was equal to paper, and computer choice was equal to rock, or user choice was equal to scissors, and computer choice is equal to paper, what happens here? You win. Oh, should be back. The users win here. Oh, sorry, do it like that. And we have an else one, says print yellows. Okay, so I'm gonna create a while here. While it's true, user underline choice was equal to enter. I'm saying enter, it should be input. Enter rock paper or scissors. So it's gonna be to lower because user may enter the name as capital. So play. So I'm gonna call this function play RPS, rock paper scissors, and I'm gonna put the user choice here, and the function is gonna be complete. But for looping this function, because we are using the while, so I'm gonna create a variable play underline again, and I'm gonna set it to input. Play game, yes or no. That to lower. So if play game, what was disconnected? Okay, it doesn't matter. If play underline gain was not equal to yes, break the loop. So USB device that never recognize. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's check the code here. We create a function here, we create an array with rock paper scissors, and we create a variable with computer choice with random.choice and choices. So we use this array here, and we print the computer choice. Then we check if the user choice was equal to computer choice. It's a tie. So else if these conditions in real game was correct, so we just okay, user win the game, and if it's not equal to these choices, the user will lose. So we create a while here until the user send n here, it means break the loop, and send y, I mean yes, and loop it's gonna again loop it's gonna work again, and user can play again. So let's try it. Open with Python. So enter rock paper scissors. So I'm gonna go with paper. I win. Yes, I'm gonna go with paper again. You lose. So just make it some clear for here. I think it's better now. Okay, it's better. So I'm gonna go with paper. It's a tie. Yes. Paper. I lost. Yes. Paper. It's a tie. Yes. Paper. I lost. So for n it's gonna be exit. So as I said, this functions, this code that we are using, it's basics on Python, so we're gonna use basic items and we're gonna do another big project after you learning basics. So it's random, you don't need to import or install anything with pip, and we created array here, and we check if, else if, and else here, and we check while here. So let me just sort it here, it just needs to be clear. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and enter comment. You don't need to install any library, random is default in Python. And again, thank you so much everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for me. Thank you.